Welcome student. I am Kamble BK, AGM College Karad. My subject is English. I am going to take figure of speech, that is a poetic device. Poetic devices. Introduction. A figure of speech is a collection of words that often conveys a meaning different than its literal meaning. It uses creative form of expression and poetic language to emphasize a fact or an idea. There are more than 100 figure of speech in English language. A few of them are explained below. Alliteration. In alliteration, consonant sound or vowel sounds are repeated for the musical effect. The example of alliteration: the fair breeze blew and the white foam flew. The sound of letter is repeated pleasingly. The second example of alliteration is who watched wandering while time. The sound of the letter W is repeated pleasingly. Next figure of speech is simile. In simile, two ideas or things which have just one feature in common are compared directly by using as or like. The example of simile is I drifted like a flying kite using like. The second example of simile, the city now doth like a garment wear, like is used. The next figure of speech is inversion. In inversion, the correct grammatical order of a subject, verb, and object is not followed for maintaining the rhythm or rhyme scheme of the poem. The example of inversion is steadily pours the rain. The correct order is the rain pours steadily. The second example of inversion is where not a frost has been. The correct order is where a frost has not been. The next figure of speech is repetition. Repetition means the same words and phrases are repeated for creating a pleasing effect. The example of repetition: Suman tried and tried and tried. The repetition of the words tried and are repeated. The second example of repetition: and moon moths and singing crickets. The word and is repeated. The next figure of speech is metaphor. In metaphor, there is an indirect comparison between two ideas or things. It is also known as implied simile. The example of metaphor is the the camel is the sheep of the desert. The second example of metaphor: he was a lion in the fight. The next example of figure of speech is antithesis. In antithesis, opposite words, ideas are placed in the same sentence. The example of antithesis, not near, not far. The next example of figure of speech is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia, words are used to express the sound. The example of onomatopoeia, the murmur of the waterfall. The next example of figure of speech is personification. In personification, inanimate objects or things have given human qualities. The example of personification is tall grass danced with the wind. The human quality of dancing has given to the grass. The next example of personification is the country wears perfect rows of shining teeth. The country has personified. The next example of figure of speech is hyperbole. In hyperbole, ideas are exaggerated for the dramatic effect. The example of hyperbole, his eyes told zillion stories. This is an overstatement. The second example of hyperbole is in its unfading flowers, I hear the bride bee hum. The next figure of speech is climax. In climax, ideas are arranged in ascending order of their importance. The example of climax, they arrived, they fought, they captured. Ideas are arranged in ascending order. The second example of climax, the streets clear, the houses fill, the noise gathers. The next example of figure of speech is anticlimax. In anticlimax, ideas are arranged in a descending order of their importance to create dramatic effect. The example of anticlimax, he swore by the sun, the moon, and the star. The second example of anticlimax, he lost his family, his fortune, and his best suit of the clothes. Words are arranged in a descending order. The next figure of speech is paradox. In paradox, the truth is stated in apparently contradictory terms. The example of paradox is the child is father of the man. The second example of paradox is she rewards me with her tears. The second example of figure of speech is irony. In irony, the intended meaning of the words is different than the actual meaning of the word, or the situation presented deviates from the anticipated outcome. The example of irony, the wedding planners' wedding was a chaos. The next example of figure of speech is tautology. In tautology, words having similar meanings are used for emphasis. Example of tautology is she is a smart, intelligent, and brilliant. Synecdoche. In synecdoche, a part of something is used to represent the whole, or the whole is used to represent part. The example of synecdoche, he has many mouths to feed. The next example of figure of speech is metonymy. In metonymy, a thing or the concept is not called by its name but by the name of the something closely associated with it. The example of metonymy is the crown for the king. The next example of figure of speech is transferred epithet. In transferred epithet, The adjective, that is epithet, describes a noun or a person other than the word it is actually describing. The example of transferred epithet is he passed a sleepless nights. The next example of figure of speech is refrain. When a line or a group of line is repeated several times, mainly at the end of the stanza in the poem or the end of the verse in a song, it is called as a refrain. The example of refrain: water, hollow stone, wind, scatter wine, water, stone, stop the wind, water, wind, stone, wind, curves, stone, stone, a cup of water, water, escape, and is wind, stone, wind, water. The next example of figure of speech is euphemism. Euphemism. In euphemism, mild terms are used to convey harsh ideas or realities. The example of euphemism is a promise to meet before I go. The next example of the figure of speech is apostrophe. In apostrophe, an absent person is inanimate object or an imaginary characters is addressed as though present. The example of apostrophe: who grave, where is the victory? The Thank you.